Hey guys, me again Kevin, and I'm here now to check out this new from Soundcore, new earbuds from Soundcore. This is the Soundcore R60i with the noise canceling feature. Right here, it has an adaptive ANC features, 11 drivers, AI translation, and playtime niya is 10 hours, and with ANC on it's 8 hours. So yeah, it has a bigger battery than the previous model R50i NC. It also has an LDAC functions, high-res audio, and deep bass, and of course it has a IP IP55 water resistant or splash resistant. So real-time adaptive ANC with AI translation in 100 languages. So if it benefits you, this is one you should get. So the price is currently at 1,300 pesos to 1,400. Sometimes it goes down to 1,200 pesos. It has several colors: blue, pink, white, and black. So yeah. So it has an app for App Store for Apple products and Google Play on Android phones. So yeah. So inside the box it includes the charging case and ear tips from extra small, small, medium to large, and it has a short USB Type C cable for charging. That's all we got from this box, same as before. So this is the charging case. It's a bit bigger. It looks about the same, or the size is about the same as the Liberty 4 or 5. When you open it up, it looks like this one. It has a charging light here in the front, and of course your charging port Type C, the back of the case. Yeah, and there's a subtle logo here in the top cover. Okay, let's open it. So here is the earbuds itself. So it has a contact pins here on this side, and at the back you have the logo, and at the top you have the, I think it's the grill for noise cancelling feature. The ear tip, I believe it's medium. You can change this tip according to your ear size. Depends on your preference. Okay. A lightweight. It's with a not so long stem, I guess, for the driver and battery. It has a subtle build quality, all plastic, but it's very well made. I'm impressed, actually. Here is in my ear. It sits comfortably on my ear out of the box. It doesn't move, it doesn't fall out when I'm doing running, jogging, or a high intensity workout. It's really comfortable. You forget you're wearing it. It's water resistant, so sweats cannot damage it, or light rain. I think it's sprinkle proof. So if it gets wet, you won't be concerned that much. So yeah, I'm really impressed. It's lightweight. It's comfortable to wear. The ANC is quite good for noisy environment, for calls. As I said earlier, this has 6 mics all around the earphone, so the call is quite good. Like the voice quality is good. It's loud and crisp. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Okay, so let's check out the Soundcore app. You can download this on the App Store or the Play Store for Android. So here it is, the interface. You can select your device or add the device. There you can see the battery on the left and the right. So we're in transparency mode, but I change it to noise cancellation 90% of the time. You can also choose the default sound is Soundcore Signature, Acoustic, Bass Booster. You can also customize your equalizer to your taste. I usually mix and match to my preference. I created this diagram to customize my sound. You can feel free to do it. It's very intuitive. It's easy to use. It's very straightforward. There's a gaming mode, movie mode, and music mode. For gaming mode, I think it reduces latency, but I won't bet on it. I won't use it for a very high competitive games. But it has the option. So let's get into the next option here on the sound space. If you want a sound noise while you're sleeping, you want to relax, there's an option right here for you to choose, for you to relax, just to block out all the noise from the background for you to relax. Or if you want a little bit of noise while you're sleeping, it can help you regarding that. The next option is Anka, their proprietary kind of like an AI, kind of like Google Assistant for your earbuds or your headsets from Soundcore. There's a real-time translation here, face-to-face translation. I guess the real-time, it has a subscription, I think. And for the face-to-face translation, I think you have to, the one you're talking to has to have the same device or same brand. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but yeah, that's about it. The next tab is core tips and tricks, just to guide you in regarding the AI of this capability of this Anchor. And the next one is, of course, your details, your settings. Yeah, that's about it. That's as simple as it gets. It's very intuitive. It's very easy to use. Um, just a reminder, I'm using the mic of the earbuds. What do you think, guys, of the sound? I think it's okay. It's not the best quality, but for my taste, it's fine. What do you think? Okay, so a short conclusion about this Soundcore R60i NC. It's a it's a an improvement compared to the R50i NC in almost all um, criteria: sound quality, build quality. The sound is not too muddy, not too bassy. It has a bass, but it doesn't cover the mids and highs. It's just a more balanced sound signature compared to the previous model. I really like the design of this compared to the previous model. It has a very similar box or charging case compared similar to the Liberty 4. But yeah, that's my conclusion. Uh, the app is great. The Soundcore app is great. The sound is great for the price. It's really affordable. It's just $10 more or 500 pesos more compared to the previous model. So if you don't have yet an earbuds, I suggest you just forget about the R50i and just go straight to this R60i NC, and you will be impressed, just as I am, as on this price point. Of course, let's consider the price point. It's very cheap, so don't expect too much compared to the other more expensive earbuds. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something from today. Send it from me. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.